Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I am starting with datetime. In ALTERYX, the datetime tool is used to parse, format, and manipulate date and time data within your workflows. It allows you to perform various operations on date and time fields, such as converting them from one format to another, extracting specific components, like year, month, day, hour, minute, second, calculating durations, and much more. With the datetime tool, you can handle date and time data efficiently, ensuring that it's in the right format for your analysis or visualization needs. It's a handy tool for data preparation and manipulation, especially when dealing with datasets that contain temporal information. Then after, the regex tool is a regular expression tool, allows users to perform pattern matching and text manipulation operations on their data. Regular expressions are sequences of characters that define a search pattern, which can be used to identify, extract, replace, or manipulate specific patterns within text data. The regex tool in ALTERYX provides a user-friendly interface for defining and applying regular expressions to your data. It allows you to specify the regular expression pattern, choose the action to perform, such as match, replace, or parse, and configure additional options to customize the behavior of the operation. Then after, the text-to-columns tool in ALTERYX is used to split a single column of text data into multiple columns based on a delimiter or a fixed width. This tool is particularly useful when you have data in a single column that needs to be separated into multiple columns for analysis or further processing. The text-to-columns tool is commonly used for tasks such as splitting comma-separated values into individual columns, separating full names into first and last name columns, extracting specific substrings based on a fixed width, and more. It helps streamline data preparation and enables further analysis of structured text data. Then after, the XML Parse tool is used to extract data from XML files and convert it into a tabular format that can be easily manipulated and analyzed. XML is a widely used format for storing and exchanging structured data, commonly used in web services, configuration files, and other applications where data needs to be organized hierarchically. By using the XML Parse tool, you can easily process and analyze XML data within ALTERYX workflows, enabling tasks such as data integration, transformation, and analysis with XML-based data sources. This tool simplifies the process of working with XML data and makes it more accessible for users who may not be familiar with the intricacies of XML parsing. Now I will show how these tools are working with sample data.